Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, we want to teach you some direction to open doors and make your star shine. Get the following ingredients. So the first item you need for this particular direction is pure honey. Pure honey is very common. If you go to any supermarket, you can easily get the pure honey. You can also order it from Amazon with the link I've provided under the video. Now let's look at the next item you need for the direction. After getting the pure honey, the next thing you need is sea salt. Sea salt is also very common. If you go to the market, you can easily get the sea salt. Now let's look at the next item that you need for the direction. After getting the sea salt, the next thing that you need for the direction is ashes from wood that has been left overnight. So if you get any ash that has been left overnight, like maybe somebody will cook today and then the next day the ash that was left yesterday, that is what you are going to use for the direction. Now let's look at the last item you are going to use for this particular direction. The last item you need for the direction is 4 lemons. Please, lemon is the orange with rough skin. Please, there is not lime. And then there is not also orange. Kindly ensure that you get lemon. You are going to use 4 for this particular direction. Now let's look at how you are going to do the direction. Getting the items, which are the honey, 4 lemons, and then sea salt, ash from yesterday. What you are going to do is that on the day that you were born, if you were born on Monday, Tuesday, or whatever, that day is the day that you are going to do this particular direction. So early morning, before you speak to anyone, you take a clean bowl and then you cut the 4 lemons and then you squeeze the juice into the clean bowl. You now pour some amount of the honey on it. Then you are also going to add small amount of sea salt to this. But please, the measurement for the honey and sea salt, you are going to use your own discretion. For this one, you are going to apply it all over your body. So kindly ensure that the honey that you are going to apply should be enough to cover your entire body. So what you are going to do is that you mix the 3 items very well. You are going to mix the lemon juice, the honey, and then sea salt. You are going to mix it very well for the sea salt to dissolve in the mixture. So after doing that, you now apply it all over your body from your head to your toe. If you are a woman and then you cannot apply it in your hair, what you do is that instead of your hair, you apply it all around your head and then you apply it all over your body. And then for some time, like maybe 2 minutes, you now go and bath. The bath, what you are going to do is that you fetch enough water and then you add ash from yesterday. The ash from yesterday, you add a handful of it. So you measure 1 hand full of the ash and then you pour it into the water and then you mix it very well for it to dissolve in it. And then you are going to use it to bath. But please, because of the ash, you are going to make sure that you use enough water so that after bathing, the ashes will not be on your body. So you add enough water and then you use it for the bath. You are going to use any sponge at all that you have for the bath, and then you are also going to use any bucket at all. But please, if you can afford a new bucket, you can use it. Apart from black bucket, you can use any bucket at all that you have for this particular direction. And then also, if you can afford a new bucket or a new sponge, you can use it for the direction. And then after bathing, you are not going to use towel. So if you also have local sponge, like the one that is made from wood, you can use it for the direction. And then, as I said, if you can afford a new bucket, you can do that. But if you cannot afford, you can use your own old bucket, old sponge, and then you use it for the direction. And you can bath with any soap at all of your choice. But please kindly ensure that after bathing, you are not going to wipe the water off your body. So if you are in haste to go to a place, don't do this direction. And then immediately after sex, and then you have not cleansed your body, don't do this direction. So if you know that maybe you have sex in the night before you do this direction, kindly put sea salt into water, then use that one to cleanse your body first before you do this particular bath. But if you did not have sex the previous night, it is better you do this direction. It is better that way. So please kindly ensure that you go by the directions that I've mentioned in this video. And then if you also have any question concerning what I've said, kindly ensure that you post the comments under the comment of this video, or you can contact the remedies on Facebook. You can also follow me on TikTok or Instagram or Telegram. I have a channel there you can follow. So if you need any assistance concerning this video or any of the videos that I've made, or you need any special remedy for any problem, you can contact me. You are also to subscribe to the channel so that you get more remedies for free. Thank you very much for watching this video. In our next video, we shall talk about a direction that will help you to get the job of your choice or your visa or whatever. Whenever you are going for interview, there is a special direction for you. That is what we shall talk about in our next video. So please kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel, and then you also keep following the remedies on all social media platforms. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.